Here is how you can lower the quality of video on iPhone. So if you are capturing the video and you want to make sure it's not in the highest quality, in the camera, you can switch to the video mode, of course. And at the top, we get to control the quality. So currently the video is set to 4K at 30 FPS, and generally the higher the resolution, the more quality and more pixels are going to be capturing it. So if I want to lower down the quality, I need to lower it from 4K to HD, and then now the video is going to be much smaller. And you can as well lower it from 60 FPS to 30 to again make the quality go down. So that's how you can do this. Keep in mind that if you go to these settings and check out the camera section, you can choose the default, right? So for record a video, you can see that by default it tells me that 4K 30 FPS is going to be the default one. So I guess it would make sense to choose the default one, which you actually want. And below you have a little chart telling you how much storage a 1 minute of the video at each setting is going to take up. So as you can see, 720p and 30 FPS is just 60 megabytes and so on. So that's how you can control it and decide which setting you want to go with. However, if you already have the video saved in your gallery and you want to lower the quality of this existing footage, what you can do is to get an app from the App Store, which is called Compressor Video. So this is what you need to look up. There are going to be more apps which pretty much get the job done, but I'm talking about this one, Compress Videos and Resize Video. You can see the blue icon. I'm gonna quickly update it, but this app essentially allows you to import video from your gallery, for example this one, and click on the next, and essentially lower down the quality in here, so you can lower the resolution as well as the frame rate and export it once again, and lower down the quality of an existing video. So that's how you can approach this. Let me know if it worked for you or if you managed to make it work the way that you wanted. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.